friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Jack Skellington as Santa, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with a nice big eye. So from the center on the left hand side, let's draw in a nice big circle. We're going to leave a gap flipping over on the right hand side, and we're just going to replicate that. Now from here, let's color in our pupils black. Now in the middle, for the nostrils, we're just going to draw in a thin oval on a diagonal on both sides. And then like we did for our eyes, we're just going to color these in black. Let's draw on the top of the Santa hat here. So we're just going to draw in a nice big curved line from left to right. On the edge here, we're going to arch this line around and then in. From that point, we're going to curve this line back around and in again on the top. Now from this point, we're going to arch this back around and through towards the inside. Again, let's keep going. So we're just going to keep curving this in, drawing these at roughly the same size. They don't have to be perfect until we join together on our line. On the right hand side, let's curve this line up and through towards the middle. Let's come down on the bottom. We're going to curve this line out. We're going to draw on the pom-pom now. So we're going to curve this line up and through. From that point, we're going to arch this line around and in. And we're basically just going to do this as we come around in a circle, connecting that back to that line. So again, from this point, curving this around and back up. One more time, bringing that in. And then our last time, we're just going to curve this line all the way around and back through, connecting that together. And again, these don't have to be perfect. Let's come up. On the right hand side, we're going to curve this line out towards the top right. And now let's close this off. So from that corner, we're going to arch this all the way around and down on the left. Let's draw on the face underneath. So from this corner on the left hand side, we're going to curve this all the way around and in towards the middle. Let's continue to close off the rest of the face. So on the right hand side, we're going to arch this line around and up, connecting that towards that corner. Let's draw in the mouth. We're going to draw in a corner bracket beside both of our eyes. And then we're going to connect this together again with a nice big arch line. Now let's keep drawing in some diagonal lines as we come across, straightening those out in the middle, leaving an even amount of space as we come all the way up on the right. We're going to draw in the beard underneath. So starting back from this corner, we're going to curve this back around and in, leaving a gap. We will do the exact same thing on the right hand side, blending that back in together in the middle. Now on the left hand side, we're going to arch this line out, in, and down towards the bottom. And then from this point, we're going to curve this back up and through towards that corner. Let's add in some hairs on this now. So we're going to just draw in a small curved diagonal line on the left. We'll do the exact same moving down. On the right hand side, curving this up. Let's move in towards the middle, arching that through. Let's come across on the right, drawing in another one. We'll do the top left over here. Let's move over, scattering that out. And then one more time, moving down. Now let's draw in the body. So on both sides, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down on the left and right hand side. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line in towards the beard. We're going to draw in the belt. So on the top again, just drawing in another line coming in towards the middle. And then again, dropping down, leaving a gap, replicating that, bringing that through. Now on the left and right hand side, we're going to curve this around and in towards the middle. Again, from that point, bringing that down and back up. And then again, we're going to close this off right in the center with a curved line, just making sure that those lines join. Let's draw in our right arm. So we're going to bring this line out on a diagonal, and then we're going to bring this through. We're going to do the same. So on the top, bringing that out, extending that past. And then again, we're going to bring this line in on a diagonal towards the bottom. We're going to close that off with a curved line. Stepping up for the sleeve, we're just going to replicate that, bringing that over. Let's draw on the hand. We're going to curve this line down. And then now moving up here, we're going to bring this line all the way over, tucking that in underneath that line on the top, closing off the hand. We're going to draw on the left hand now, holding the present. So we're going to bring this arm out. So we're going to draw a diagonal line coming through. Moving below, we're going to curve this line back up. Again, underneath, we're going to bring this line out. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this back through towards the top. Now for the hand, we're going to start on the edge here, curving this up, around, and down for the pinky. And then we're going to curve this line across. We're going to close off the sleeve here, the wrist, curving that over. Let's draw on the present up above. Let's draw a diagonal line coming out. We'll do the exact same thing on the right hand side, ending that at the same height. Now from here, let's close that off with a straight line. And then from the middle, stepping over on both sides, we're just going to draw in another straight line moving through. Let's close off the lid. So we're just going to draw in a straight line coming underneath. And then we're just going to draw in a small bow here. So we're going to curve this line up and down on both sides. Let's draw in the fingers behind. So we're going to draw in the center finger here, curving this around and back in. And now let's draw in the thumb. So we're going to curve this line out, in, back, around, and through towards the present. Lastly, we're just going to draw in the legs. So from the center on both sides, for the inside of the leg, we're going to draw in a diagonal line coming out, ending that at the same height. We're going to step over, lining that up at the same height, bringing that line back up. Now from here, let's close that off with a curved line. On the inside, let's curve this line in. We'll do the exact same thing as we step over on the outside. Now again, moving in, we're going to curve this line back up. Curving this over. And then again, one more time, curving that around and through. Let's step in for the shoe. We're going to draw in another diagonal line coming down. From the bottom, we're going to curve this line out. From that point, we're going to arch the shoe around and back down. And then again, we're just going to draw in a small line coming right up towards the top. And that is it. That's how you draw Jack Skellington as Santa. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.